Hello friends, welcome to all of you. I am in another new video of tech on day number 10 of our Google CV training. Today I have brought for you another excellent feature of Google Sheets called conditional formatting. Before turning on the feature or starting its training, I have a small request to you. As always, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Share it with as many people as possible to keep supporting us in this way. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe now. We will continue to create such videos for you, bring new things for you, and keep working hard. Your support on the channel should stay with us. Let's start today's video. So today what I've brought for you is the option of conditional formatting. For the conditional formatting option, I've taken some data here for you. Inside it, I've taken a total of around 11 columns for you, which include countries, mobile numbers, fees, planning, emails, etc. I've entered things like sales percentage, etc. So I am showing this data. I will show you how to use conditional formatting. First, apply it to any data set or area where you need it. You have to select that data. For now, I will select the entire range. I have selected the entire I column. Then go to formatting and click conditional formatting. As soon as I click, the color will automatically appear on my conditional formatting. Here, conditional formatting is visible on my sheet, but single color is appearing and color scale is appearing here. What is this? What is its use? First, for this, I use the color scale option. Inside the color scale option, you will see, as I have selected, you will see in I the differences. Changes where the color has darkened somewhere, many more or fewer, a kind of color rate. So it's done, meaning this is the color scale. Scale meaning you understand it like there is a value which is from 1 to 10. So 10 will have the highest color and 1 will have the lowest color, meaning as we move towards high, our color scale will gradually become harder, right? On 1, it will be very light, on 2, lighter or darker, on 3, darker. And the darkness will keep increasing like that. So for that, what we have to do now is we've selected the range. And here the apply range option is coming. You can also select the range from here, or you can automatically select it first. If you want to come here and select, then just go now and select this range here. I am now selecting the entire range. I have selected from I1. I have selected the entire I column and clicked OK. If any new rows come in below, as you keep adding rows, conditional formatting will automatically apply to them. Now multiple options are appearing here, like here in the preview. It will show me such colors under format rules, and the minimum value is appearing here. Value, and there's no value in the middle, it's in MED-J. And here, if you click on this drop down, you will see multiple options are appearing in front of you. So it's in percentage and in number as well, and particular percentages are also there, which are also there. So how is this used? We apply it to numbers, automatically selecting a normal value without any manual effort. It will select data according to its own logic and apply conditions accordingly. So you can change the color as you need based on that. You can change the color here. So see, as I keep changing the color, you won't be able to change the mid cap inside the minimum and max value, because you need to, and you will have to change this. The color option does not stay saved on none. Now we move to change in number format. I clicked on number format. So I have to format numbers in all three, because if I want midscape, I might want to leave mid blank in none, but I also need number escape in mid. As I did, it automatically took the numbers as per its own logic with number values like 111, 609 and 999, and applied the color scale as per its own logic, which I had selected. But I want a bit more difference in the cap with the numbers. I want wherever from 1 to 0, meaning value up to 10, and then where there is a value of 500, and where there is a triple line value, I want to redefine it like this. Now you will see the color here. So this basically gives you the same kind of color. You can keep the same color if you want, otherwise it depends on you. Now you can also use multiple colors as per your understanding as you like. Some people like multiple colors, some people like a single color scale. It depends on how you want to present your report in front of your management. In that way, you can change it to color scale here. And after doing this, you just need to click done here. Once you have done, you can see your conditional formatting is almost ready, completely ready. Just change the value here. Writing 10 or 999 will alter number. They will change. If you write 500 here or any number near the range that we have set, they will change. If you have provided any value below and give that, the color in your numbers will automatically apply there as well. This is how it works.